Today, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with financial data, statistical analysis, or simply need cleaner looking numbers, mastering these rounding functions will give you precise control over how your data displays. First, head over to your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace, as this ensures you have access to all your spreadsheets and documents stored in your Google Drive. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to round numbers. This could be any existing sheet you've been working on, whether it's a budget tracker, a sales report, or any document containing numerical data that needs rounding. Now, here's where things get interesting. Google Sheets offers 3 different ways to round numbers, each serving a specific purpose depending on your needs. Let's walk through them one by one. The first method uses the round function, which rounds numbers to the nearest whole number or decimal place. Click on an empty cell where you want your rounded result to appear. In that cell, type equals round open parenthesis. Next, click on the cell that contains the number you want to round, then close it with a parenthesis. Once you press enter, you'll see your rounded number appear. To apply this same formula to other cells in your column, simply locate the small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it downwards. This automatically copies the formula to all the cells you drag through. The second method is round up, which always rounds numbers up to the next highest value. This is particularly useful when you need to ensure you're not underestimating quantities or costs. Click on a new cell and type equals round up open parenthesis. Then click the cell containing the number you want to round up and close it with a parenthesis. Again, drag the small blue circle under that cell downwards to apply the formula to additional rows. The third and final method is round down, which does exactly what it sounds like. It always rounds numbers down to the next lowest value. This can be helpful when you want to be conservative with estimates or need to work with whole units only. Click on another cell and type equals round down open parenthesis. Click the cell with the number you need to round down and close it with a parenthesis. Just like before, drag the small blue circle downwards to copy this formula to other cells in your column. And that's it. You now have 3 powerful rounding methods at your disposal in Google Sheets, each serving different purposes depending on whether you need standard rounding, rounding up, or rounding down. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.